Viral TikTok Shop content. Let's go over 10 viral TikTok Shop products and the videos that shape their fate. Let's talk about why the product went viral, what worked, what doesn't. Let's read the comments and the social interactions with the customers. But more importantly, let's find out how much money these products have made. This is a perfect case study for all of us who are interested in selling products on TikTok shops, whether you want to be a seller, maybe you want to be a dropshipper, or if you want to be a TikTok affiliate, this is a perfect video for you. Before we start, there's only one small thing that I'm going to ask you for. I just recently created a big educational platform for people that want to learn dropshipping, for people that want to sell on TikTok, Etsy, eBay, and other marketplaces. There's tons of value in it. We also have a private Discord and networking community. You can get all of that for less than $20. So if you go ahead and check out dropshippingyield.com, that's the website, I'll greatly appreciate it. But now let's start the video. So TikTok Shop affiliate, something that's been booming recently, and a lot of people are getting a lot of interest in it because there's a lot of potential. Some people in my Discord community are truly killing it. This is a person that just made $13,000 in commission in one day from doing TikTok Shop affiliate. There's also tons of people on YouTube doing the same exact thing, and they document everything. And this is why I recently got really interested in TikTok Shop affiliate as well, because there's a lot of opportunity and money clearly. So I spent last week trying to learn what type of videos and content and products work for TikTok Shop affiliate. So in the future, I can create videos that will make me money. I will not waste time on producing videos that don't work. So we're going to analyze 10 videos today, but there are some patterns that I see are common in all these videos. I can tell you what these patterns are. 1 is authenticity. 2 is the background. 3, proving that something is cheaper on TikTok Shop. 4, how cool is the product? And 5, is the product solving any problem? I feel like these are the common themes across all the videos that we're going to analyze, and all of these videos went viral. And there's some psychology game that people creating these videos play when they create them in order to have people react to their videos, comment. It's almost like playing mind games with your customers, but also you want to make it look authentic and real. So you don't need the fancy equipment, you don't need the fancy editing, you literally just need your phone. All right, let's start with the first video. Let's see what is the video and what is the product, and then let's discuss why is this working.
Moon Man in the mail from TikTok Shop, and I'm quite amazed with how good it works. It literally lights up the entire room. So this is the living room. It literally lights up the entire room. Moon Guy, it's on TikTok Shop. It's linked below. It is on an early flash deal right now for $18.77. I think it would make an amazing Christmas present.
So this is the product this lady was talking about. As you can see, the video was very simple, it was very authentic. There was almost no editing in it. The only thing she added was a couple of captions, but that's about it. It was one of those videos that gives you like a mom review type of vibe. I think also the timing that she posted the video was right. She posted it right before Christmas, right before Black Friday. She got tons of likes, tons of saves and reviews, and people in the comments are saying they purchased this gift for the loved ones. This lady is saying she bought it for her husband. This lady is saying she bought 2 of those. This one is saying she bought it for her grandson. And there's plenty of comments saying I purchased this as a gift. So I think this was a perfect gift for guys, for kids, and that's mostly the comments you see here. Everyone is pretty happy. Is this product solving any problem? No. Is this product cool? Yeah. I think the thing that works here is that it literally lights up your whole room. It looks cool, and the lady was just being authentic and real. It looks like most of her content is about family and just like lifestyle stuff, so nothing special. But that's the beauty of TikTok affiliate. You don't need to do anything fancy. As long as you're being authentic, you can sell almost anything on that platform. By the way, TikTok has tools that will show you what type of products are popular. If you go to their TikTok Creative Center, I'm gonna have a link for it in the description of this video. You can go to their top ads dashboard, top products, top creatives, top keywords. Right now I'm in the top products category, and you can see that like dresses, perfumes are #1 products on TikTok right now in the last 7 days. If I go to their ads, I can also track their ads and the products that are currently selling and being popular. So TikTok will show you a lot of these data if you want to look at it as well. But let's go to the video number 2 now. Okay, this video is from Gentleman that we talked about it last week. He's a man who within 2 weeks was able to generate over $20,000 in commission from TikTok Shop. And this video that we're watching right now is the one that went viral for him. And it was a very simple video.
Boys, listen up. And if you're a girl, please keep scrolling. Alright, now that they are gone, since Valentine's Day is less than 20 days away, I found the perfect gift you can get without breaking the bank. It's these right here, the emotional support nuggets. And I know, to us guys, these might seem a little dumb, but trust me, this is the stuff that girls love. It's creative, funny, and something she can actually use when you're not there, and something she will actually keep. I mean, come on. It's currently only $20 in the TikTok shop right now, so go grab one before all the rest of the boys do.
Okay, so the product he talks about is actually sold out, and I can't really find it on TikTok shop anymore. But it was one of these emotional support plushy cartoon characters. Okay, so this is something similar to it. I cannot find the product that he was talking about because I guess they just ran out of them. They don't sell those emotional plushies anymore. But you saw the video, it's very simple. It's just him showing the product on the screen of his computer and talking about it, that this is a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. He's using this like mind trick to kind of say, hey, if you're a girl, scroll down, don't watch this video. If you guys, stay and watch on it. He does it on purpose to kind of trick people and make them stay and watch it, because if you tell people to not do something, they're gonna do the opposite. Tons of likes, tons of shares, but the funniest part are the comments like this one: target audience not reached, we single, bro. My wife just left me, I will pass. This is a perfect gift because there's a lot of single people that are a little bit bitter and they comment on this product, giving him extra engagement, extra juice to the SEO, so the product is being pushed more on TikTok. So it almost seems like it doesn't matter what people say as long as they just talk about it. I like this one: don't buy this for her, take it to Sephora. But this goes back to a couple of the previous points that I mentioned. The video looks extremely natural, and I think that's what brings people in. He literally just showing a screenshot of his computer. And by the way, he later on explained that this method doesn't really work anymore because TikTok doesn't like when you show the product as a screenshot. They actually want you to show the product in your hand, so you actually have to have the product if you want to show and promote it. But nevertheless, simplicity, authenticity, raw footage is what brings people in. And leaving these weird comments or suggestions to people to make them comment on something, that's the true trick to the TikTok shop affiliate. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned a couple of things that work, right? And I mentioned background. So you're going to see in a couple of examples that we're going to watch that sometimes the background is more important than the product you're trying to promote, because if the background produces a certain reaction, that makes people comment on their video and let it go viral. So actually our next product I want to show you is a perfect example of that. That doesn't matter what the product is, but what happens in the background, that's what makes it go viral. And let me show you exactly what I mean. This product is this kitchen gadget that allows you to like kind of scoop out pizza or anything you want very easily. But here's what happens.
So good.
So he tries to grab the pizza, right?
Works so good.
And the pizza falls to the ground, right? The video is very short, very simple, but let's look at the comments really quick. And the top comment, it says, it works, you don't. And they even got a comment from Drake himself. But most of the people are saying, bro, forgot to put it on the plate, works too good, then works 100% properly. Everyone is like bashing this. But the reality is that the person recording this video did it on purpose because they knew they're gonna have this reaction on people. So again, the product itself is not that important in this case. What is important is what happens in the background. So the pizza falls and that causes a certain reaction for people to leave the comments for the video. So this product is one of those like products that it's not really cool, but it's solving a problem. Here's another video where he scoops up Nutella from the table. And this is actually very useful. Look at this. This was very useful. So this tool might actually have some purpose, but the video only got 3,000 likes. So you cannot just do one video if you're trying to promote these products. You kind of have to do a couple of them because you don't know which one will hit and work and go viral. But if you can create certain reaction for people that are watching those product videos, this is the key to the success for the virality of these products. And this guy is not even showing his face. Most of the videos we're going to analyze, the people producing them don't even show their face. It's just like the product itself working and then something happens, or maybe there's something that happens in the background. Okay, another product is a military product. So it's not solving any problem. It's not necessarily super cool in my opinion, but it's very practical and it's also cheaper than the competitor. And I think that's what really is working in the favor of that product.
All right, guys, I'm making this video so you don't make the same mistake that I did. This is my bug out bag, but it's a $450 backpack. Got it pulled up right here on the website, $450, right? I just got this one in and it's $34 plus shipping and handling. It's got storage in the front here. It's got storage on top. It's got storage in the middle. You set these things side by side, I can't tell the difference in material.
Okay, so the video is basically a comparison of that $450 bag versus this one for 40 bucks, okay, that he's trying to promote. So there's a huge price difference between those two products. And I think the reason being why this video is working because it's such a huge difference in price. So for anyone that's looking for a cheaper alternative, this guy is showing the alternative and it's showing it that it's almost the same thing. There's very little difference. And this video got tons of likes and shares, but people in the comments are ruthless. They basically saying the more expensive one is better. They're probably right, but it doesn't stop that seller that's offering the cheaper alternative from getting sales. 2,568 items sold and almost 5-star review. That's pretty good. It's for sure not as good as the other one, but it seems like a lot of people like it anyway. And the video, it's getting a lot of bad comments, but it also got a lot of traction as well. Again, it's almost like that saying, doesn't matter what people say as long as they just talk about it. Simple video, simple comparison, very authentic, and then might be a strategy that you want to use when you create content for your TikTok shop. Maybe you want to compare your product to a more expensive alternative and show that TikTok shop has a cheaper alternative for people that cannot afford it. Okay, this product is something very simple. I've sold these LED lights before on Facebook Marketplace and eBay, and I've been selling like crazy. And even this girl that's promoting these LED lights says she's late to the game, but the video is working. And I think it's because she knows her audience. She knows how to talk to these people, and her audience, in my opinion, are like teenagers. She knows the lingo, she understands the TikTok. There's also some action happening in the background that's causing a lot of engagement on her post. So let's watch it.
I got those LED lights that like are super thick and they look cool on your walls. I got a 2-pack, so we're gonna set them up. These thick. I did not think the quality was gonna be this nice. Holy fuck. And they're cheap, hold on. I just finished it and it looks so fucking cool. I turned off all my lights to give you the full experience for this. This thing looks so fucking cool. The lighting doesn't really give it justice because my camera can't pick up how like...
Okay, so this product is clearly like a wow factor product. It's all about how cool it is. Even she is very impressed, and I think her reaction is pretty genuine. And again, she knows her target audience. She knows who she's talking to. Most of the people that are gonna buy this are like teenagers or some frat boys. But what's really interesting to me about this whole post is people comments, and a lot of them are more interested in this clock than the actual lights. Like here's someone asking about the clock, and here's another comment about the clock. So a lot of people are interested what's happening in the background, which is the clock thing, than the light itself. But it doesn't stop the video to go viral. It's almost like what do you have in the background is as important on what you're trying to actually promote. So maybe when you create a product video for your next item, have some weird stuff happening in the background. Maybe call your dog or cat to do something silly that almost seems like it's unscripted. So people will gonna leave comments saying, oh my god, look at the cat in the background or something like that, because everyone is always commenting on what is going on in the background, and it's just giving you extra attention. Okay, another product is from the wow cool products category, so let's watch the video real quick.
Good, let me put you on. This thing right here is the biggest cheat code. Check it out, bro. Fill it with water, spray your favorite cologne. I got this one for Christmas, so I'm gonna use it. Just put like 2 sprays, lid back on. Look how sick that looks. That basically looks like a real flame. I told you I was gonna put you on. This is my favorite thing inside of my room. I bought this about a year ago off Amazon for around $30, but now I see it all over TikTok for like $7, so I feel kind of dumb for getting it back then.
Okay, so this video has everything that you want to have in your video. Okay, so he calls out people at the beginning saying like, hey bro, let's check this out. Okay, so he knows his target audience. He's using that specific word, bro. Okay, so he knows he's talking to like teenagers and guys that spend too much time in their room playing video games. And he's showing this product. It's like diffuser, whatever that is. And the diffuser looks cool at night. It has the LED lighting again. This item sold 52,000 times, so tons of sales. And people in the comment are talking about PS5. So again, It's about what's happening in the background. As you can see in the background, you can see the PS5 and people are just for some reason commenting on it. That's that background thing again. And he's also doing a comparison. He says that he purchased this on Amazon, but it was more expensive than the one that he got from TikTok Shop. So he is checking out all the boxes in order to make the video go viral. And I think this is why this is working. This product is one of those tumbler wraps. I think this person was just trying to utilize the trend of people going crazy for these 40-ounce tumblers. And what's cool about this video is that at the beginning of it, she's using the short clips, people reporting the popularity of tumblers on news. And then she shows the alternative, the cheap alternative that you can get from TikTok Shop. Let's watch it.
Of doing something similar to this. Being limited to buy as well. Waiting long lines. Run for this awesome moment at your fingertips. Miyoki cups are affordable, especially using TikTok coupons. Comes in different colors. Let's open up our product ordered comfortably at home. Spill proof without the straw.
Yeah, so she's basically offering an alternative to already very popular trend. She's showing that the trend is massive. She's jumping on it and she's offering the alternative. She's saying that you can use the coupon. So she's creating this like call to action to use TikTok Shop coupon because you're going to get these tumbler wraps for a cheaper price. What's interesting that people in the comments are hating, but again, it's almost like the hate doesn't matter here because there are still people buying this. As you can see, this item sold 237,000 times, okay? But the comments are pretty against it. Most of the people are just saying that that's not the reason why people buy those. They want the real Stanley Cup because it's a Stanley Cup, not the, an alternative. But that doesn't stop people from buying this anyway. Alternative is still getting sales. And the video is still
Favorite thing
likes,
to do.
Shares,
Nothing
and
different
comments.
from the other.
So if I had to summarize everything we went through today, okay? It looks to me like what's really working on TikTok is the authenticity. You don't need the fancy equipment. You don't need to fancy editing. You just need to show the product working, show the best features, record it with your phone, make it real, have something in the background happening that people can comment on. You want to almost create a reaction from people, so people leave comments. It almost seems like it doesn't matter if it's a good reaction or bad, as long as people are talking. Whenever you start those videos, you want to say something that will trigger people and pick their interest. Like that guy that was saying, if you're a girl, keep scrolling. If you're a guy, stay here and watch. You only have 3 seconds, so you have to be fast with catching their attention. If you can, show the alternative. So if there's a more expensive alternative online, show the more expensive one and compare it with the one on TikTok, which is a cheaper one. That also can create conversation and more people commenting on your video. You watch the whole video. I'm going to offer you a 20% discount on my website, dropshipping.com, where you can get a bunch of courses. You can learn how to dropship on TikTok, how to sell digital AI products on Etsy. You can join our private community on Discord. You can talk to me and other members during our weekly meetings. You can get a list of monthly dropshipping products and AI prompts that you can sell online, and you can get that for less than $20. So go to the dropshipping.com, use the coupon code that you can see right here on the screen, and enjoy the discount. But that's all I have for you today. I'll see you next time. Bye.